This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
This video I'm going to take you through some procedures. In here you can do it from the procedure schedule, or as with everything you can do it from the Add Anywhere button. When you click on them they pop up exactly the same. And there's a few different elements in here. So when you're doing a procedure you can filter horses by their location or their status. Or you can leave them all in. If you want to add a reason you can, or you can leave it out. You can, as always, assign it to someone, assign it to a supplier. So if you've got a vet, you can assign it to them. You can input any comments you want around the reason for the procedure or any sort of results or anything else. And then once you're done, you basically select what you want. Now you can go down into this sort of detail, and there's a whole heap of presets here. Or you can create your own custom ones here, as in these are all abbreviations which you would have set up when you set up the master configuration over here. So when you add these in, you can also add in the 7 days clear day, so the system will give you warnings if you're in danger of violating that clear day period, and I'll show you how that works now. So select your horse, select what you like. Because you put in Butte for 7 days, a warning will pop up. That's fine. Select the method, and that then creates the task, the time that you want it to be done. When it's assigned to someone, they'll get a notification saying you've been assigned this procedure for this horse. They can go and do that procedure, and then they mark it off as complete. They can mark it off as complete either in here, or they can mark it off as complete in the mobile application. When you mark it as complete, basically it'll ask you, do you want to do it at the time, at the due date of the time of the task, or actually a specific date. So this normally occurs if you, for example, this one here at 4:50 AM hasn't been completed. I can either mark it as completed for now, or I did it at say 4 o'clock, or I can actually just say that I did it at the time that it was requested, which was 4:50. Then click save, and that basically then completes that task. And if there's a finance element associated with that, that'll then put the cost for that in, and then again that will also follow the horse around with all its procedures. It's been completed. It will also show it in the lifetime view, which is there, so that's been completed. The other one, just quickly, is when you're doing a clear day report for a horse that is running, you can it will then tell you that you've actually nominated a horse for a race that is actually within that clear day period. So it's saying that this horse's Bonanno has been nominated on Friday. Are you sure you want to continue? If you say yes, you can certainly do that. Same process. Create. And what will happen there is that there will be this little yellow hazard here saying there's racing within the clear day guidelines. You click on that and it'll tell you which race that is potentially going to be affected, and the horse will possibly be running with drugs in its system. So if I go back here as well, you'll see that that's now there as well. I'm going to tell you what's actually there. So that's just a little way we try and help prevent any mishaps, and it also works in reverse. So if you've got something like penicillin, it's 28-day generally, and you put it in on the 1st of the month as a procedure, and then you nominate 2 weeks later, the system will also tell you that you have put penicillin in the horse, and the horse for its nomination will be within clear day violation. The other one, just for new procedures, is repeating procedures. So you can, if you want to give a dose to a horse every day, set the frequency to daily, repeat 1 day, put in the time, start date, ends after 1 repeat, or ends on a certain date. And basically you go whatever it is. The system will create a repeating task, which you can see there for multiple horses. So you see that in the next day. If you've got any questions about procedures, feel free to shoot us an email to support@prism.horse, and we're happy to take you through that.